stick, tipping off my toes. I let you know, you just blow the smoky O's in the air.
Hopped in the ride, half empty gin bottle, smoking on blue extreme bubble kush in a zigzag. A fine blend, I get that good, it keep me satisfied. Get it by like high life, have a lighter to light it up. Elevated, staying faded, different verses, we deserve this bud. Over a stilo, to a trip, onto another trip. Sit down, get crowned, what goes around comes around like a rebound. Bumping our sounds, we all a bit Looney Tunes. Blowing into out the window, White Widow. Got my mind sharper than the philo. Cruising, never losing, with the homie prophecy. Rolling up, crushing down in the grinder. Crushing down in the grinder. Rolling up, smoking up, going up higher than the Eiffel Tower. Going to the beat with a smooth touch, letting my lyrics drop so sick. Get good quality to get around by. Homies on the side, ready to blaze up all that weed, all we need it. Inhale, exhale, mic check 420, Mike Rex. When I step to the title, coming so fatal, gone to the cradle. See you later, get the session poppin' tonight. It's all cool to be dropping a hit by hit, macking a bitch. Then what's next if the biz don't make sense? Get right there. Might be a couple of fools that will give you advice. Stay think positive, 11 steps in front of everyone. Put up a lot to impress. Dress fresh to the death. Shoelace as my belt. The skunky smell. Stinky sense. I get notorious to the overdose. I suppose it's time to show my rhymes on a different level. I'm a rebel, plain status, pedal to the metal. Started from the bottom, ghetto thoughts brought me to survive the competition. I'ma get to be chillin' with a chick, filling up my double cup. My rapping ass gets a puff pass. I rolled it up, still chosen to be distortion. Get into function, interruption. No stems, no seeds, just roaches in the ashtray. Gotta stay with that purple haze for the days and making me fade away.